In this video, everybody, I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Tales of Luminaria, in which you can get free unlimited PB stones and a free store mod. Now, the best part about this modded version is that it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices, which means you can download this game and play this game into any of your Android or iOS devices. And the best part about this video is that later in this video, I'll be showing you how to download this game using a simple and easy, quick method into download this game into any of your Android or iOS devices. So this is the best part about this video. So although I'm using an iPhone in this video, watch this video till the end because this video is for both Android and iOS devices. The steps are exactly the same and are executed in the exact same way. So don't worry about that. Now, what is the point of free PB stones and a free store mod? Now, I get it that you get PB stones for free, but what does a free store mod mean? So for example, if I wanted to purchase PB stones, which are the primary currency of the game, in the normal version of Tales of Luminaria, I would definitely go to the store, and all these different packages of PB stones would cost me money, and I'd pay that to purchase them. However, when it comes to this modded version, when I open the store for PB stones, as you see on my screen, every package is costing me $0, which means I don't have to pay a single penny, and the moment I click on a particular package, that particular amount is transferred to my personal PB stones. As you can see, I have 24,939 right now. There you go, I have 25,259 right now. So this is how it works. Basically, your store doesn't charge you money for PB stones. And this is amazing and insane. And it's crazy. Look at that, 26,409 PB stones. So since PB stones are the primary currency of the game, since you have them for free in unlimited amounts, you can purchase everything else for free as well. You can purchase all those costly things that would enchant your gameplay in order to have more fun and strengthen your game performance and everything like that. Tales of Luminaria plus the modded version of Tales of Luminaria, and the best part is that it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices, which makes it more fun, because that way the game is not only confined to a particular set of devices, but it is open to all users, Android and iOS both. And I'm pretty sure these are the only types of devices that we have today in this world, Android and iOS, or at least in more use. 34,000. Look at that. There is some certain limit of how many PB stones you can purchase or collect in a certain period of time, and there's no cooling down period as well. It is entirely infinite and unlimited. The more you click, the more you get, and it's crazy. So momentarily, I'll be deleting this game from my phone so that we can go through the entire downloading process again, and so that it will make you guys understand the entire process much more easily, and you guys will know how to sort of like deal or how to like sort of execute the steps. Now the steps are exactly the same for Android and iOS devices. Okay, so it's a noble pass, a pass that gives a variety of perks while it's valid. See details for more information. That's also for free. The noble pass is also for free. So the steps are exactly the same except for one point where Android users have to skip one part, and for that I'll be showing you when and where to do so. So do not worry at all. The rest is exactly the same. And so just take a look. Just take a last look, guys, because now I'm about to head towards the entire process. So there we go. Tales of Luminaria plus. Now, as promised, I will be deleting this game from my phone right now. And let me just hold it, and let me just kick it out of my phone. So there we go, bad boy. Now first things first, you have to locate and open the settings of your phone, which is going to be pretty simple and easy. So that you have to go to your settings and go down to your step number one is that you have to go to your general settings, go to your background app, refresh, and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data, and on nothing else. This is step number one, which is only for iOS devices, not for Android users. So this is the distinguishing step. So once you've done this, simply move on to step number two, which is for both Android and iOS devices, and that is you have to go down to your browser settings. Doesn't matter which browser you're using. Go to the privacy and security section and make sure all the cookies have been unblocked by turning off the option that says block all cookies. Otherwise, your downloading process will be affected. And this is step number two, which is for both Android and iOS devices. Step number three is also for Android and iOS devices, which is pretty simple. You have to go back up to your battery settings and make sure that the local power mod on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices are turned off. So this is step number three, which is for both Android and iOS devices. So technically 2 steps for Android users and 3 steps for iOS users. Once you've done that, exit your settings and hit open the browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked. And in my case, it's the Safari. And in the search engine bar, type this in correctly and carefully: appdeals.top. Right, guys, type this in, appdeals.top, and click search, and you should be able to see this entire list of games with their ratings and compatibilities in front of you. This list is pretty extensive, so if you can't find anything in this list, go to the search bar and type it in there. But if you're fortunate enough, like me, to find this game this way, it's good. Tales of Luminaria, it says free store mod, all items in store for free, unlimited PB stones. Click on it, click on the download now button to start the injection process, which will take like up to a few seconds in most cases. However, in some cases, it may take up to a minute or two. That depends on your internet connection speed, so do not worry at all at that point. And remember, there's only for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And as soon as this injection process finishes, you will be asked to complete this one last easy step, which is going to be pretty simple, and I'll show you how to do it, so do not worry at all. Which is that you have to go to your, complete 2 offers from the list below, and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now, out of all of these offers, I have to complete 2, and I'll definitely be completing 2 easy to follow the offers. And my first one is going to be Fetch Rewards. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. And these apps are downloaded from the official stores, so they're 100% safe to use. And although they're instructing me to run it for 30 seconds, I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side, and would recommend you guys to do the same as well. However, you might not notice it over here because the video has been fast forwarded to make it short, and rightfully so, my offer number 1 has been completed. Now, my offer number 2 is going to be another easy offer, which will be Norton Secure Rebane, perhaps, or yes, again, I will install it and run it for 40 to 50 seconds, although 30 seconds is the recommended time, but still, I have to be on the safe side. And once your game has been downloaded, you may delete these extra apps to optimize their storage because they're just downloaded from the completion of the injection process and may occupy space on your phone for no good reason after that. And once you've completed both your offers, simply close everything and return to your homepage, and you'll notice that your Tales of Luminaria Plus will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here for me in these 2 simple steps. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video with another cool modded version. Until then, enjoy this game, and cheers.